Alright, so we're just going to do a really quick how to get this on here. We've got our shifter mounted. This thing's kind of, it came from a swap meet. I got to put holes in there. Regardless, if you get all your points on the handle for your shift linkage lined up with neutral, you will put this tab through there. Now those are in neutral. Check all your gears. I do believe that's neutral for reverse. Anyway, 3, 4, 1, 2, reverse. Starting with our reverse gear, we got our bushings. Normally you would have two. There'd be a bushing that goes in here and a bushing that goes at each one of your points here. This shifter doesn't take the bushing back here. So from the inside with your bushing, install here. These clips are a little bit of a pain. I'm actually not a fan of them. We got a reverse rod here. Now when we got our little reverse rod, or tail light rod, whatever you want to call it, right here. So third, fourth gear, first, second gear, reverse. I think this is gonna be what turns on your reverse light. We still got our neutral holder in. Oh, so gosh darn it. They don't want to come out this time. Ah, there we go. So now that's out. Now I gotta get the shifter bolted on here. And I guess we'll see if she shifts.